Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. A smart air purifier and table with wireless charging and LED lighting ambience. Another great product from SwitchBot. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Combines air purification with sleek, multifunctional furniture design. This innovative product not only ensures clean and fresh air in your space, but also serves as a stylish table, making it perfect for modern homes and offices. Now included at the box we have the power adapter with an output 24 volt, 3 amp, 72 watts power consumption. And the cable length, it is 2 meters, very convenient. The table with a wireless charging unit here. You can charge your smartphone, any wireless charging compatible device. I like the shape. One screwdriver, some screws, and the manual. And of course we have the main unit. Here at the front we have the air inlet. Just pull this cover. It has magnets to remove the filter. That is a huge filter. Around we have the pre-filter. You can remove that. Attach it on the outside of the filter. Use it to remove large airborne particulates. The HEPA filter around here. Remove allergens such as dust, pollen, mold, cigarette smoke and more. And inside this black around, it is the activated carbon filter. Removes unpleasant everyday odors from sources such as diapers, cigarette smoke and strong smelling foods. We have this soft pad around at the top and at the bottom. Installing the pre-filter is very easy. We have scratch, press and install the filter. Same and the cover with the magnets. That was all. We have silicone pads at the bottom. It will stay very secure at any surface, no worries. Here you can install in the power cord. And at the top we have the power on off button. The mode switch button allows you to switch between auto, sleep and pet mode. We can see and the LED indicators. The fan speed button from 1, 2, 3 levels. The child lock button, press for 3 seconds to enable and disable. Wi-Fi indicator in here. For each button we have indicators and the timer button 2, 4 and 6 hours. And we have the filter life indicator here. And here at the top is the connection for the table. And of course you can control all the device from the SwitchBot app. I will show you in a moment. Let's install the table. Wireless charging is here. You need to have the wireless charging at the left side, at the side where is the timer. And then plug in the cable. so easy to install, and then 30 degrees, rotate, and it locks. Unlock, lock. And here we have the aroma pat box. You can have essential oils, choose your favorite aroma, and install it here. I like it. So let's power it on and start the setup with the SwitchBot app. The corners of the table are raised above the main surface for aesthetic or functional purpose, such as keeping items from sliding off or creating a unique visual effect, and with soft raised wireless charging pad to protect your smartphone. SwitchBot app. Add a device. Air Purifier table. Turn on. LED light, I like it. Press for 2 seconds. The Wi-Fi is flashing. Connect device. You need to choose a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Enter the password from your router. Next.
I found Air Purifier Table 56 from the SwitchBot Smart Skill, and you can control it by saying, turn on Air Purifier Table 56.
Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. You can rename the device if you want. Pick a room, living room, start using. You can charge your smartphone. Fast wireless charging, 31% is the battery, remaining another 2 hours and 13 minutes until fully charged. That is a good time. And from the app you can turn it on. Level, this is the level 1. Or you can choose auto or pet or sleep. On sleep mode it is very quiet. You have some environmental data. You can go back a few hours, days. And of course you can set a schedule in here, add, adjust the hour and the minutes, only once, repeat, choose the days of the week and the action on or off. And you can choose in the mode, level, auto, pet or sleep. And save. Create it. Switching off. Delay. You can adjust the hour from 1 hour to 11 hours and maximum 59 minutes. Care and maintenance, filter, reset the timer, remaining 4,320 hours. Pre-filter, the pre-filter captures large debris such as dust, fibers and hair, and you can clean it. Very good, we can see here at the main screen. Moving on at the settings, air purifier table, backlight and sound. You can disable or enable the sound, light, auto, always on if you want, or off. Auto. The light will automatically turn off in low ambient light. Brightness, bright, moderate or soft. Bright. Light color, show air quality only. Very good, good, moderate and bad. Customize, and you can choose one of these 10 lights. Can also be used as a night light for children, blends seamlessly into your home decor for living room purity, air and charge bedside table, study freshness, or air purifying coffee table. This one. Child lock, enable or disable. And the same thing you can do, press and hold the button, it is on, it's not doing anything, press and hold, and now you can use the device. Do not disturb, you can enable, start time, adjust the hour and the minutes, and the end time. Wireless charging, you can disable if you want the wireless charging or enable. Third-party services, connect to all these services. I have the Alexa and the Google Assistant. Alexa, turn off air purifier. Alexa, turn on air purifier. Okay, Google, turn off air purifier.
Sure, turning off the air purifier table.
Turn on the air purifier.
Okay, turning on the air purifier table.
NFC, you can pair the SwitchBot tag and turn on or turn off with a simple tap. Help and feedback, firmware version, device information. Automatically adjust purification levels based on real-time air quality. Consumes minimal power even on high-speed settings. Ensures efficient and even air purification for rooms up to 30 square meters. Captures 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, including dust, hair, cat fur, pollen, smoke and allergens. Built-in wireless charging pad for added convenience. Charge your phone by simply placing it on top. Why choose the SwitchBot air purifier table? Operates as quietly as 20 dB in lowest fan speed, perfect for bedrooms and workspaces. Combines two functions, air purifier and table, into one elegant piece. Provides cleaner, healthier air while seamlessly fitting into your lifestyle. Full control via app and voice for effortless operation. Complements a variety of interior styles, from minimalist to contemporary. Is an elegant solution for improving your indoor air quality while adding functional furniture to your space. It's perfect for those who want clean air without sacrificing style or utility. And that's the SwitchBot air purifier table. Combining modern aesthetics with powerful air purification, this innovative device is more than just furniture, it's a statement piece of cleaner, healthier living. Whether you are looking to improve air quality or optimize your space, the SwitchBot air purifier has got you covered. If you enjoyed this review or learned something new, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more smart home tech reviews, lifestyle solutions and design inspirations. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay smart, stay stylish, and I'll see you in the next video.